This is a brand new 2012 Honda Accord. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine and a 5-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a power moonroof, heated front seats, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, cruise control, leather seats, variable cylinder management, an electronic throttle, a passenger side vanity mirror, multi-reflector halogen headlights, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and aluminum wheels. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Jerry Damson Honda in Huntsville, Alabama. New Hondas, great on gas and service after the sale. Complimentary coffee, Wi-Fi, and car washes. Thank you for choosing Jerry Damson Honda.